Well, hello there. My name's Robin Richards. I am your wellness teacher here at Robin's Wellnest, and I am so excited to start a brand new calendar year 2024, kicking it off big and bold with weekly wellness workshops. Now, these workshops are going to be hosted live over Zoom Tuesday nights at 7:30 for 30 minutes. And in those 30 minutes, you will experience the transformative power of achieving your health and wellness goals by learning the tools and the education that you need to make lasting changes in your life. It is my mission through my business, Robin's Wellnest, to empower you with inner fitness and simple nutrition so that you have lifelong wellness in all seasons of life, especially seasons of struggle. And what better way to do that than having a weekly call where you get empowered with information as well as you get a little retreat from your regular life with a mindfulness guided practice woven in to each week's lesson. Now, if you can't make it live, I understand life happens. That's why I will be recording the first 30 minutes of the workshop. And then when I end the recording, I'm going to leave a parking lot time for those who attend live to be able to connect and even receive some personal coaching directly from me. Imagine it's like we're in a meeting room and we're all walking out to our cars together. That's what parking lot time is designed to be. So each week, on these Tuesdays at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, we're going to dive into a different topic. And how better to start the month of January and a brand new year on January 2nd, that first Tuesday, than with the topic of how to build lifelong wellness with balanced goal setting. That's our first topic. The rest of the topics for the month of January, I've laid out for you in the comments below. You also, if you're listening and looking at this past the month of January, you're going to see a link to my Stan store. That's just the place where I warehouse all of my recent offers, where you can see the landing pages and all of the different pricing info. I am so excited to be your guide and your wellness teacher as you are embarking on a new year and building these inner fitness tools that are going to help you feel just so much more in control of your life, bringing your body into balance and also your mind. I can't wait to see you. Send any questions my way. Looking forward to it. Bye.